Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lizzo slammed for taking private jet to demonstrate event where she said US will look like Detroit if Kamala wins. And of course, as Lizzo has been slammed for taking a private jet to demonstrate event in Detroit to endorse US presidential candidate Kamala. And the About Damn hit maker 36, who mocked Donald Trump, comments that the whole US will look like if Kamala wins, was blasted by fans for arriving to the event over the weekend via luxurious air travel. Sharing a video of herself boarding the plane in a white suit, the singer, who Nell from Motor City, said, "This is how I look. You couldn't even spell democracy." So about people, fans are not happy with what she's doing. So definitely, guys, don't forget to subscribe.